How do I understand voltage converter input and output? If you are planning a trip to Europe, understanding voltage converter input and output is essential for using your electronic devices safely. Many travelers face confusion when their devices do not work as expected. Let's break it down so you can travel with confidence. First, let's talk about input voltage. In Europe, the standard voltage is typically between 220 and 240 volts alternating current. This is higher than the 110 to 120 volts used in countries like the United States and Canada. Knowing this helps you understand what your voltage converter needs to handle when you plug it into the wall. Next, we have output voltage. This is the voltage that your converter provides to your device. If you are using a device designed for lower voltage, like those from the United States, you will need a converter that steps down the voltage from 220 to 240 volts to the 110 to 120 volts your device requires. There are two main types of converters, step-down and step-up. A step-down converter reduces the higher European voltage to a lower voltage suitable for your device. On the other hand, a step-up converter increases a lower voltage input to match the higher European voltage. Some modern converters can do both, which is handy for various devices. Another important factor is the power rating, which is measured in watts. Each voltage converter has a maximum wattage it can handle safely. To ensure your converter works for your device, check the wattage rating on your device, usually found on the label or in the manual. Make sure the converter's wattage rating meets or exceeds your device's requirement. When traveling in Europe, you will also need to consider plug compatibility. Voltage converters often come with multiple plug adapters to fit different European outlets. Common types include Type C, E, F, and G plugs. This way, you can connect your converter to the local power sockets without any issues. Before using your device, confirm that the input voltage range on your converter matches the local supply. Set the converter to output the correct voltage for your device. Many devices, like phone chargers and laptops, are dual voltage and only need a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It is wise to use converters with built-in surge protection, especially if you plan to charge multiple devices at once. For high-power devices, such as hair dryers, ensure the converter supports the necessary wattage, often up to 200 to 230 watts for travel converters. Finally, always check the voltage rating of your device before plugging it into a converter. Using a converter with incorrect specifications can damage your devices or create safety hazards. Understanding voltage converter input and output will help you enjoy your European adventure without any electronic mishaps.